HP Slate 6, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, find here and select the settings. So here I have settings. Scroll down to the personal tab and choose here language and input. From the following view, let's tap on language at the top of the screen, and here you can use the following languages. So in my case, let me for example switch my language from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Espanol, and as you can see right now, you can use the Espanol, the Spanish version of your device. If you would like to go back to previous version, just use the apps icon, choose Ajustes, scroll down and choose here Idioma y Tradición de Texto, type idioma again, and let's place here, for example, English from United States. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.